how you can customize your right-click menu from this to this. Now this is so much better. The link is in description. Download based on your system. I have 64-bit, so I will download it. Now it's just a normal setup. You can proceed it. Next. Finish. Now you have to register. After register, your Windows Explorer will restart. Don't worry. After restart, you have got your new right-click menu. These are the options in new right-click menu. You can explore it yourself.